Hi, I'm Poonam and I'm here to take you through the key details of the PNB QIP, which has been launched just last evening. In fact, PNB has launched a QIP for a base size of nearly around 1,200 crore, which is close to around $162 million. They do have an option to upsize the QIP to about 1,800 crore, which is close to around $243 million. Indicative issue price is seen at 33.75 per share, and it is of course at a discount of nearly around 5.2% to the last closing price. In fact, if you look at the dilution at the base size, it is seen at 3.4% pre-issue, and if you consider upsize, the dilution is seen at 5.1% pre-issue. Sources also indicate that Axis Capital, Edelweiss Financial, SBI Capital as well as ICICI Securities are the bankers to the deal. Well, if you look at PNB, they already had a board approval to raise up to rupees 7,000 crore, of which they have already raised nearly around 3,800 crore in Q3 itself, which is the last quarter. So analysts state that assuming a potential capital raising of further over 3,000 crore, the CET1 ratio is likely to increase by close to around 50 bips, and also it would lead to the book value per share to nearly around 83 rupees per share, and book value is seen declining slightly by close to around 4.5% according to the analysts, which would then make the book value to rupees 83 per share. And if we consider this, then the stock would be trading at close to around 0.4x price to book value. The government stake also in PNB, assuming the capital raising, is seen falling to close to around 70 to 71%. It's not just PNB who would possibly require capital, but it seems that the rising surge in COVID cases, the second wave, which is fairly severe, is likely to strain the financials of quite a lot of BFSI players and also some of the other stressed sectors as well. Along with PNB, we're also seeing that Interglobe Aviation has also gone ahead and stated that they would be raising funds via QIP. So yes, this is one thing that we should be watching out for. With regards to PNB, if you look at the Q3 itself, they did mention that they had a provision cover of slightly around 80 to 85%, and the gross NPAs, the ratio did stand close to around 12.9%. It had declined slightly, and their net NPAs stood at nearly around 4%. And if you look at PNB, well, management had already indicated